the 1996 Suzuki Every. This van has a water-cooled Suzuki 3-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission. This vehicle comes with 84,423 original miles. It is 4-door, along with a rear hatch. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. All right, as y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away. This vehicle does come in kilometers. That number is 135,868. The miles again is 84,423. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. We are going to go ahead and start with the driver's side. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can give us a call at 423-716-2161. We would be happy to answer any questions that y'all may have. I do want to tell you guys we really appreciate you guys, each and every one. Thank you for the continual support. I hope y'all have a blessed and safe day.